Brody, what are we gonna do? Okay. Got the old Mugen MBX5, an oldie but goodie. See what she does. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Over here, look. Instant booter. Hang on. Let's do this first. GoPro, stop recording. We got a little bit of a crosswind going here. Gonna try to land. Alright, come up here with me, Brody. Let's see. You stay right where you're at, okay? See what she does. Oh, big old mad. We're gonna see. I think I'm getting a little too ahead of the game. Oh, yes. Look out, Brody. Oh my goodness gracious, what on earth was that? That was body rubbing, all kinds of stuff. All right, let's do one more. Oh! No. That was a little better. Step up at least. Jump's too steep. Here we go. GoPro. There we go. All right. Little man, what do you want?
Make it do like
a backflip?
Make it jump up and do a double and do a triple flip.
Oh, he's tripping. But okay, we'll do a flip. Oh, and just nosed it right into the ground. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's a broken one. She's broken. Oh, night's over. All right, GoPro, stop recording. Oh yeah, this is why you need an Arma right here.
You can keep driving just.
I think the next time you see this happen again, we'll be riding an Arma.